Today I'm going to show you how to convert different length units between each other. Now the most common length units that we have are kilometres, which we refer to as km. We have metres, which we refer to as just m. We have centimetres, which we refer to as cm. And we also have millimetres, which we refer to as mm. Now, to begin with, let's have a look at how many of each measurement there are between these. So for example, 1 kilometre. 1 kilometre is equal to 1,000 metres. And 1 metre is equal to 100 centimetres. 1 centimetre is equal to 10 of these millimetres. Now, we can use this information here to create a conversion chart that we can use to be able to convert between these different values. So let's start between kilometres and metres. If I want to convert a unit from kilometres to metres, I've got to first look at how many metres there are in 1 kilometre. In this case, there's 1,000. So if I have 1 kilometre, I've got to multiply by 1,000 to get to metres. Now, to get back from metres to kilometres, I've got to do the opposite. So that's going to be dividing by 1,000. Now, if I want to convert between metres and centimetres, I'll look over here again and I'll notice I've got 100 centimetres for every metre. So if I've got 1 metre, I need to multiply by 100 to get how many centimetres there are. And like last time, to get back, I need to do the opposite, so it's going to be dividing by 100. Now, between centimetres and millimetres, because there's 10 millimetres for every centimetre, to convert from centimetres to millimetres, I need to multiply by 10. And to convert back, I need to do the opposite, which is dividing by 10. Now, we can use this chart to help guide us converting between different values. For example, let's say I wanted to convert 350 metres to centimetres. In order to convert 350 metres to centimetres, I need to look on my chart and start at my metres and look at what I need to do to get to centimetres. In this case, it's to multiply by 100. So I take my 350 metres and I multiply by 100. When I do that, this will give me 35,000 centimetres, which is how many centimetres there are in 350 metres. So that's how we move from here to here. But what about the other way around? What if I've got 7,500 metres and I want to convert it to kilometres? Well, like last time, I look at where I'm starting at, which is my units of metres, and I want to get to kilometres. To do that, I need to divide by 1,000. As I divide this by 1,000, it will give me 7.5 kilometres in 7,500 metres. So to summarise, when we're trying to convert between different length units, using a chart like this can become very helpful. What we need to do is we need to work out what units the length is currently in. So for example, here it was in metres, and we want to look at where we want to move it to. In this case, we want to move it to centimetres. And we follow our chart and follow the instructions of our chart of what we'd need to do. Now, if I wanted to move from metres to millimetres, I'd first need to convert it from metres to centimetres by multiplying by 100. Then I'd need to multiply again by 10 to get it from centimetres to millimetres.